In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF on KDP, KDP Tutorial for Beginners. If you've been looking to publish your book on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, you'll find this step-by-step guide incredibly useful. Let's get started. First things first, it's essential to have your book prepared as a PDF. Now, PDFs are a preferred format for publishing on KDP because they preserve the formatting across all devices. So make sure you've gone through your manuscript to double-check that everything looks exactly how you'd like it to appear to your readers. If you're using a word processor like Microsoft Word, you can easily save your document as a PDF by selecting Save As, and then choosing the PDF format from the options. This ensures that fonts, images, and layout are all locked in place. Once your PDF is ready, it's time to head over to the KDP website. You'll want to sign into your KDP account and navigate to your bookshelf. Here, you'll see the option to create a new Kindle ebook. Under the Paperback Details page, scroll down to find the Manuscript section. This is where you'll upload your PDF. It's straightforward to find. KDP has done a great job at keeping the interface user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble navigating these menus. Now that you're in the Manuscript section, it's time to click the button that says Upload PDF. This step is incredibly straightforward. Simply click that button, and you'll be prompted to choose the file from your computer. It's a good idea to have your finalized PDF saved in an easily accessible folder to avoid any unnecessary searching. Once you've selected your file, it will start uploading. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so be patient. While you wait, take a deep breath and maybe even a sip of coffee. You're doing great. After the upload is complete, you'll want to make sure everything looks good. This is where the option to save and preview comes into play. By saving and previewing your uploaded document, you can view exactly how it will appear to buyers. This step is crucial for checking that none of your content is cut off, and everything displays as it should. Take your time here and carefully scroll through each page. It's always best to catch any possible errors now, rather than after your book is live. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your PDF to KDP. With everything set, you can now proceed with the rest of the publishing process, including setting your pricing and publishing date. Remember, patience is key during this entire process, and following each of these steps ensures your book will be published without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and